I cannot live without this product. Hi everyone, I'm Pravleen. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be talking about the products that I have completely emptied out, and I will highly request you to buy it because they're so good. Definitely get your hands on these products because oh my god, they're just amazing. So yeah, if you're someone that's interested to know which products should you get your hands on, and definitely have it in your vanity because they're just going to last you forever, plus the product quality, pigmentation, everything is just bomb, then definitely keep on watching. But before that, if you're not following me on my social media, on my Instagram and on my YouTube, go ahead and follow me right now. I talk about skincare, makeup, fashion, lifestyle, just vlogs here and there. On my Instagram, I talk about skin, body positivity. I talk about no filter with PKB. We talk real raw skin, and that's how it should be, always filter free. Filters are not an issue, but comparing yourselves to everything you see on social media just because you think that everything looks so pretty, and oh my god, I am not that pretty. No girl, you're very pretty, you're very beautiful, and that is what we're here for. So without any further ado, let's just jump right into the video. Okay, so we have like skincare, hair care, makeup. So we have like a bunch of stuff. We're gonna like completely just dive in. So we're starting with like hair care products. For the first product that I have is this one. This is the L'Oreal Paris CD Expert. Now this has quinoa. It absolutely repairs your hair. Like if you have damaged frizzy hair, dry hair that is like not manageable, you will love this. This one mask will do wonders for your hair. Ek hi baar, if you just put this on your hair, I think week mein once you should mask. So when you put this on, you leave it on for like 3 to 5 minutes, and your job is done. Your job is done. Your hair will be silky smooth. It's completely done, and I have another bottle already. Halfway, like I'm through with another bottle as well. So love this product. Definitely will repurchase every single time. Next product we have is the Moroccanoil treatment. Now this is another hair serum. Like now, if you can see, it's actually empty. It's just like Itusa is left. Can you see? It's completely empty. Favorite serum for, I think like I think it's been a year since I got my hands on this product, and it smells like you're out of the spa. It makes your hair so soft. You have to use this on damp hair, okay? So once you get out of the shower, and if you're like planning to like style your hair or do anything, once your hair is damp, like semi-wet, take 1 or 2 pumps of this, put it all on the length of your hair, and you will not regret it because this is such a good, I know this is a little expensive, but it's so worth it because I am in love with this product, and like it's worth the money. We just have one product for body. So this is the product. Now this is Gingham from Bath and Body Works, and it's a body mist. So if you like sweet aqua fragrances, it smells so good. If you like my preferences in perfumes, like I am someone that does not like बहुत ही strong smells, नहीं पसंद मुझे because मुझे फिर migraine हो जाता है, तो I make sure कि वो वैसे नहीं है. This is एकदम थोड़ा सा aqua but very refreshing and sweet, like not the headache wala sweet, but pleasant, elegant, beautiful sweet. The one product that I have is Dermicool. So this is the menthol, the regular one. I cannot live without this product. I use this every day under my arms and under my boobs because I have to. I've gone with like, I've finished like 4, 5, 10 bottles, I don't remember, but this is a holy grail product. Like I need this. जो ठंडा फील कराता है ये, there's nothing in comparison to this. So if you are someone that sweats a lot or wants to feel like thanda on your body, just get this and you're gonna be so happy. After shower, just put this under your arms and you know, like on your neck or you know, under your boobs, and you'll feel so good. Okay, so that is it for body and hair. Now let's dive into skincare. First product I have is the Eclat Acne Edit face wash. Now I have a code with Eclat. You already know, you can use my code PKB and get discounts. This is such a good face wash. So it basically has zinc PCA, it has tea tree, it has calendula, it has azole oil, it has salicylic acid. Very good for acne prone skin. Acne prone skin people only should go for this product, but you will love it because I've completely emptied it. There's nothing left. It's completely like done, and I have to buy another one because I love it. Next product is again from Eclat. It's their sunscreen. It's called as the UV Hydra Light. Now ekdam thodu sa product is left iska, baki pura of this is empty. This is very good. It gives you a dewy finish. I love the consistency. It is like this. Ekdam thodu sa, I'll show you. It is like this and it just melts down. Very good on the skin, feels amazing. So this I will highly recommend. Last product I have is this by Lakme. It's their Lakme Peach Milk. It's almost over, but I'll count this as it's over. It has lasted me for a whole year, I think. Like, it is such good quality for combination oily skin, dry skin. Everyone will love this. Plus it's water based, so it's not sticky whatsoever. It only retails for 350 rupees, and the size, look at the size, it's so big. Love this. Will highly recommend. And like, if you are someone that uses Clinique's Moisture Surge, you have a dupe, go for this. That is for like 3,000 rupees or 2,000 rupees, I don't remember. This is for 350, and you get a smaller one for like 100 or 150 rupees. Definitely worth investing in. If you just want to give it a try, get the smaller one, but try it for sure. Next products I have are for my body, like for my internal well-being. So I have the Raw Skin Prime Rose. Now this is so it has 30 capsules, so it's completely empty. There's nothing inside, literally. I have like two more, and I got like a whole lot of bunch more because it just gets over and you don't even get to know about it. So it's 30 capsules, 1 capsule a day. I use it every single day for my PCOS situation. So it keeps my periods regular. It helps me control my breakouts. It makes my hormones, it keeps my hormones in check and in balance, and it is very good for all the people that have PCOS. This is such a good product. It has evening primrose oil, flaxseed oil, vitamin E. It's really good. Take one capsule a day and you are good to go. I love this, will highly recommend. The product I have is again from Solskin. It's their Raw Vitamin C. It has 60 capsules. This is also over. Iska dhakkan bhi ghum gaya mujhse. I take 1 vitamin C tablet every day. It helps with your skin imperfections, like if it helps with your skin's pigmentation. It helps reduce you know, darkness, pigmentation, scars. It helps with all of that, and it's really good. Okay, so 1 bottle of this, I think, how much is it for? I'll put all the like details in the description box, but basically it's really good for your skin. So if you I would highly recommend everyone to have vitamin C at least in some form. I think this is the purest and the best form that I have ever tried, so definitely will highly recommend this. Few products we have are of makeup. Oh my god, I'm so excited. The number one product is the Maybelline's Age Rewind Concealer. Now this comes with you know, like this kind of an applicator, and oh my god, I love this product. Oh, what, you can see it's almost over. I have like 2 more of these that I have finished, and I can never get enough of this because this product, this is in the shade Honey. I think it's a dark shade, but since my skin is red, this just complements my under eye dark circles or my scars really well. I don't need to apply anything else. This just this does the job for me. I love this. Affordable, gives you awesome coverage, and is just, I love it. So will highly recommend this. The next product we have is the Huda Beauty's Volume Lash Mascara. Now it's called as the Legit Lashes. It's completely like worn off the this thing, but I completely finished, like there's no more mascara product left. So it has one side which has volume and the other side is for length and curl. I love this. I love this so much. It has to be one of the best mascaras I ever tried. I have like 3-4 favorites, but this is one of the best. I love it. So definitely will tell you to invest in this if you want to go in with a good mascara. The next 3 products are lipsticks. You know I love the Milani Cosmetics Amore Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade 12 Loved. If you follow me on my Instagram or on my YouTube since the beginning, you know ये product के बारे में मैंने इतनी बात की है. I wear this all the time. I love this. I will always tell you to get this product because it's just so good. It's what I'm wearing right now. Gorgeous on the lips. Looks so pretty. It's completely over. It's completely over. It looks stunning. I will definitely tell you to get this product because it's a one-time investment. It's a nice berry nude shade. You can see this is how it looks. Feels like very comfortable and luxurious on the lips, and does not crease, does not dry out your lips, and you don't even need to touch it up. It is very pigmented, so definitely will recommend you this product. The next 2 products, the next product I have is from Smashbox. This is their shade Boss. If you want a perfect red, this is the red for you. Now it's completely over. It hardly has, I have to like really get in there and show you the color. Come on, focus. So this is the red color. It's the perfect hot mess red color that you want. You need to have like one color like this in your vanity, like for sure. And I haven't still come across a red that's as good as this. Plus the formula is to die for. The size of this is perfect because you don't like keep restocking and you don't wear red every day. So this red works perfectly fine for that. And I love the formula and I love the pigment of this lipstick. Definitely will tell you to like get this. All skin types, all skin shades can go for this red. It will suit all of you. And the last lipstick that I have for, and the last I think product for this video is this. This is the Nykaa's Madras Kapi. This is also almost over. It's in a brown shade. You can see there's nothing left. It's a brown shade. It's a nude brown shade. Love it. Very comfortable. You need to retouch, but gives you very good pigment. Very comfortable on the lips and lasts you a very long time. I love this shade. It's a cool tone brown shade. Will highly recommend. That is pretty much it for today's video. If you all enjoyed watching it, give it a big fat thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and I will see you next time. All the links will be in the description, and I will see you soon. Bye.